Well, these are Colclough Royale cereal bowls or dessert bowls. 6.25 inch diameter, scallop trim, as you can see, with gilt, made during the Dalton period of Colclough management. There you have the stylised pink Colclough bone china made in England with the black crown mark. Very fine condition. Glaze on these is absolutely good. The actual glaze inside and the pattern's very good as well. You can see there's no wear on these at all, just a very light occasional spoon mark on them, and the gilt round the rims. It wasn't put on the absolute outside of the rim. It sort of rolls round on this very deep rolling scallop. Sorry, I need to bring that into camera, as you can see round the edge. So yeah, in fine condition. Colclough Royale, between 1966 and 1997. I think they actually withdrew Colclough Royale sometime in the early 90s, so it's probably a shorter window period than that. But they are very good, very nice, clean dessert bowls for somebody looking to replace or extend their collection of Colclough Royale bone china. Thanks for watching.